How to change text direction in Microsoft Word. Changing text direction can be useful when creating things like flyers, labels, or table headings. First, let's change the text direction inside a text box. Go to the Insert tab. Click Text Box and choose a style. You can also select Draw Text Box and create your own text box. Type your text inside the box. Then select the text box and go to the Shape Format tab. In the Text section, click Text Direction. Here, you can choose different directions. For example, select Rotate All Text 270 degrees. To rotate it manually, drag the rotation handle at the top of the text box. Hold Shift while dragging to rotate it in 15-degree increments. Now, let's change text direction inside a table. First, insert a table from the Insert tab and enter your text. Select the cells containing the text you want to rotate, then go to the Layout tab and click Text Direction in the Alignment section. You can also right-click the selected cells and choose Text Direction to change the orientation. And that's how you can change text direction in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more Microsoft tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.